Well, I'm assuming it's morning when you'll see this, but I'm on my way to see the birds. It's not even sunrise yet. And I'm feeling I gotta find the birds today. It has been a long, I don't even know what today is, the 26th or something. And many of you guys know, some of you might not, my sister passed away on New Year's Eve. So the last 26 days have been one big long blur. So I've only been to see the birds a few times, maybe, I don't know, 5 times in the last 26 days. So I'm going. I need it. And it is 8 degrees without the wind chill. So they're gonna be hungry. Got my bird seed. Lots of it. They'll blow through it fast. So I have, I don't know, a few bags. Little baggie. I'll show you what I take. Like, if you can see that. Anyway, on my way to grab a coffee and then to the birds. So I just want to say thanks to you guys for your patience and your kind words over the last few weeks. It's been rough. Anybody who has ever experienced death in the family of a sibling, let alone when they decide to end their own life, it's been really, really hard. So hopefully I'll have some good clips for you guys today. All right, stay warm wherever you're at. See ya.